there. Now let's talk about traditional subtraction with borrowing. So we're going to stack the numbers the same way we did with the traditional addition video. If you didn't watch that video yet, please go back and watch it. First, we're going to start with a double-digit number. So let's start with 52 minus 27. Now, let's review our columns, our place values. We always have the ones column. I'm going to make that blue. And we have the tens column. We still always start in the ones column. Now let's do 2 minus 7. We can't do 2 minus 7. 7's too big. What do we have to do? We have to borrow. We're going to go borrow a tens place from this 5 over here. We're going to cross out the 5 and minus 1. The one that we borrowed, we're going to bring it over to our ones column and make that to a 12. Now we can do 12 minus 7, which we know is 5. Next, we're going to go back to the tens column. We have 4 minus 2. We can do 4 minus 2, which is 2. 52 minus 27 equals 25. Let's try another problem. Say we have 87 minus 49. All right, we'll also make sure we know our ones column and our tens column. Let's start always in the ones column. 7 minus 9. We can't do that. 9 is too big. Let's go borrow from 8. We're going to make the 8 into a 7. The tens that we're borrowing, we're going to bring it over to the ones column to make the 7 turn into 17. Now 17 minus 9 is 8. Now we can do the subtraction in the tens column. 7 minus 4 is 3. 87 minus 49 is 38. Now let's try a 3-digit number. Let's do 436 minus 178. All right, let's review our columns, our place values really quick. We have our ones column, our tens column, and over here we have our hundreds column. We still always start in our ones column, so let's look at our ones. 6 minus 8. We can't do 6 minus 8. 8's too big. We're going to go and borrow from this 3. That way the 3 becomes a 2, and the 10 that we borrowed is going to become 16. Now we can do our subtraction in the ones column. 16 minus 8 equals 8. Next, we'll go to the tens column. 2 minus 7. Oh no, we can't do 2 minus 7. 7's too big. Let's go borrow from the hundreds column. The 4 is going to become a 3. That means the one that I'm taking from the hundreds column is going to make this a 12. 12 minus 7, we can do 12 minus 7, is 5. Lastly, the subtraction in the hundreds column. 3 minus 1 is 2. 436 minus 178 is 258. Thanks for watching.